Welcome to Quirkify Nature series. It looks like an alien, but it's very much from Earth. Meet the blue slug, silently gliding across stone and moss. Often seen as gross or boring, slugs are misunderstood heroes of nature. They break down decaying matter, fertilizing the earth and balancing ecosystems. Zoom in, and you'll see alien-like beauty, nature's artwork in motion. Slow and silent, but vital. Slugs remind us that beauty isn't always loud. Like, share, and subscribe to uncover the planet's strangest wonders.